Hey, it's Daryl here.
And it's Andrew.
And Sawadee Ka from Bangkok.
Hi.
Just wanted to let you know about an event that we have coming up shortly. It's a 3-day event and it's all about how to make automated income. So there's lots and lots of information on this page that'll tell you all about it, but we thought we might give you a quick summary because there are basically 5 questions that we get asked all the time, aren't there, Hun?
Certainly are. 5 key questions that we get asked. So let's go through them now. What are the 5 questions that most people ask when they want to come to our workshop? So, question number 1.
Question number 1 is, what exactly is automated income? Basically, automated income is when you make the sale once and you continue to get paid over and over and over again. So very different from swapping hours for dollars. And once you have automated income, it really means that you can create the lifestyle that you want. We call it life by design. Because once you actually have that automated income, you can do what you want when you want. It just gives you freedom.
So, question number 2.
The second question that we get asked all the time is, well, exactly who are we and why should you listen to us? Well, it actually wasn't that long ago that we had absolutely no automated income whatsoever. We had a 7-day-a-week business. We were management consultants and essentially swapping hours for dollars. So when we stopped working, what that meant was the income stopped coming in. We discovered a system though, because we were really keen to do it. We didn't really know anyone who was creating automated income at the time, but we've been on a bit of a quest. And so these days, we have automated income coming in, which pretty much gives us the lifestyle that we set ourselves as a goal. We get to do whatever we want, and for us primarily that was travel. So back when we were working as management consultants, travel just wasn't an option for us. You know, we'd travel and we'd get home and have to pretty much start again, because while we were traveling the money wasn't coming in. These days when we go somewhere, whenever we travel, we come back and we have more money in the bank than when we left. And so that's been absolutely huge for us. The other thing that's been really important for us was we just wanted to spend more time with the kids. And so we've been able to homeschool our kids. They're teenagers now, and it's just wonderful to be able to, I guess, spend that time with them, teach them the things that that we want them to learn. And that's been really, really powerful for us. So that's who we are, that's our journey. The stuff that we're actually teaching you is stuff that we've done, that we've applied time and time again, tested and measured, and really, I guess, come up with something that we know works. And that's what we're going to be teaching you. So question number 3 is, exactly who is the event designed to suit?
Well, good question. Well, there's a number of people who the event's for. The first one is people who own their own business and are working very hard in their own business. They like the business, but they want to look at making that business more automated. If that's you, this is maybe for you. The other type of person that we look for are people who are
providing services.
Yeah, providing services. Specialists in their area, maybe a doctor or
management consultants like
us. Also people who are employees, people who are living and working hard, but working hard for somebody else and making somebody else rich. And we want to help people who are in that area as well. And who's the 4th one, Dara?
The 4th one's people who are selling physical products and know that it can really help to supplement your income if you actually are selling maybe information products or just simply have an automated income coming in. Question 4, what is it that we're actually going to be covering? Well, first of all, it's very much step by step. We're very much about systems, ex-management consultants, of course we are. So step number 1 is all about finding the right niche, deciding what is actually going to sell, and making sure that you start off on the right foot. After that, we show you how to build a community of raving fans, people who will love whatever it is that you provide and will buy lots of stuff from you. After that, before we actually build anything, it's all about selling it before you build it. We have a really, really quick system to go from concept to cash, and we show you how to do that. After that, we show you the 8 different ways that we create automated income, 11 different types of content that we create to sell, and then we show you the very latest in marketing so that you can drive lots and lots of traffic to your automated income business. In addition to our system, we show you lots and lots of case studies, because it's not just us that does this. We have lots of friends and colleagues and clients who actually do exactly the same thing, stuff that we've actually taught them. So we'll break down those case studies and show you exactly how they work too. So very practical stuff, very step by step, and we know you're going to love it. And question number 5 that we always get asked is, why is the workshop free? I think what people are actually asking is, what's the catch?
Yeah,
are you just going to be selling the whole time?
Exactly. Why is it free? There's nothing in this world for free, Andrew. Well, in this case there is actually. It's not going to cost you anything in terms of paying us money for the workshop. So it's not free. You're going to have to invest your time, your effort. The other thing I need you to invest is your attention. Turn up with the attention to the information, also intention to learn and get something out of it. That's what we're going to charge you. From our point of view though, so why are we doing it? What's in it for us? Well, there's a couple of things. We like sharing the information that we've learned. It's made a huge impact for us. But it's not just all altruistic. At the end of the workshop, we'll give you the opportunity to apply to become a member in one of our workshops, in one of our other programs, should it be of interest to you. If you like what you're learning, if you want to learn more, then you can apply to be a member in our workshop. We'll talk to you about that at the workshop. We'll spend about half an hour on that, but all the rest of it out of the 3 days. But we're going to be able to share with you for the whole time for free, as far as you're concerned, in terms of money, great information, great techniques, and the information has really changed our lives and the lives of thousands of others.
So that is it for the 5 most commonly asked questions about our event. If you are really keen to come along, there are lots of links on this page where you can go and book yourself in. If you want to bring a guest, then you're able to do that as well. And so we hope to see you there.
Okay, read below, click below, sign up, see you soon.